In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a homepage Squarespace 7.0. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the editing workspace for your Squarespace 7.0 website. Once you are inside the site editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will find the main navigation panel for managing your site content and settings. From that left side menu, click Pages. This will open your site's page list and show you the structure of your website. Here you can browse through the different sections where your pages may be located. Depending on how your site is organized, the page you want to use as your homepage could be under Main Navigation, Secondary Navigation, or Not Linked. Take a moment to find the exact page you want visitors to land on first when they open your site. Once you have located the correct page, move your mouse over the page title. You should see a gear icon appear next to it. Click that gear icon to open the Page Settings window for that page. This settings panel is where you can control several important options for that specific page. When the settings window opens, make sure you are in the General tab. This is important because the Homepage option is located there. If you are in a different tab, simply switch back to General before continuing. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings window. Near the bottom, you will see the Set as Homepage button. Click that button to tell Squarespace that this page should now become the homepage of your site. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is there to make sure you want to lock in the change. Click Confirm to continue. Once you do that, the homepage setting will be updated. To finish, click Save in the top left corner of the settings window. This final save is important because it applies the change to your website. If you skip this part, your new homepage may not be saved correctly. That is the full process for setting a homepage in Squarespace 7.0. It is a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how visitors experience your website first. That covers everything you need to know.